Hello Unity fans, here's an update for the quest system of the Unity Low Poly Game Kit. Now you can accept multiple parallel quests. So let me show you this in action. I start the demo scene here in Unity and then I accept quests from quest givers. For example, this little guy here has a quest for me, go and collect gems. I accept the quest here in the dialogue. And then in the upper right hand corner you can see the current quests and the tasks that you have to solve. Okay, now I have one quest accepted and I go to the next quest giver. The quest giver can be anything. For example, this crate, I open it. This is just a prefab that you can drag into the scene, and now I accept this kill enemy quest. And now the dropdown of the current quests contains the two accepted quests. They are parallel. This means you can solve them in any order you like. First I use the cannon and the cannonball to solve the kill enemy quest. So I load the cannon, then I shoot and kill the bad red guy, and the quest is completed, but the other quest is still active. So I have to collect the gems, a blue gem and the red one. The blue gem is simple to collect. Don't forget to eat because your hunger is increasing. And now I have to find the red gem, and unfortunately it is behind these walls. I collect here the first aid, and to get the red gem you have to fight against this berserker. Be careful that he doesn't hit you. Okay, one more hit. Yes, now we got him. And we can collect the gem. But before I used the first aid and eat some chicken, and then I collect it, and we won the game because all the quests are completed. Great, now let me show you how to configure the quests. You don't have to code, you can just use prefabs and drag them into the scene. So let's do this with the simple demo scene. In this we also have two quest givers and two quests configured. The first quest is again to find and collect something. Here you can see the quest, the rewards and the task. And the other quest is to kill an enemy. Okay, but what do we have to do now to define that solving these two quests leads to winning the game? First of all, we have to drag a game manager prefab into the hierarchy. And then we need a win condition prefab, so we use the included prefab quest solved win condition. Again, drag it into the scene, and to show that we won the game, that we succeeded, we need a game won HUD. With these components we can define which quests we have to solve to win the game. So first of all I select the quest solved win condition and add these two quests. After that I select the game manager and add all the components to the slots that are needed: the player, the game over and the game won HUD, and finally the win condition. And now we have everything configured to start a simple game with parallel quests. Here I find and accept the first quest, then the second one by this quest giver, and again we can solve the tasks, complete the quests and win the game. At the moment I'm developing the feature to be able to include multiple scenes, multiple levels to a game, and after that I will come up with a crafting system. So stay tuned, I hope you like it. The link to the asset is added to the description below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. New tutorials for the game kit will follow. And follow me on my Instagram, Facebook or Twitter, and I'll see you soon here on Jayanam.